Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how to make this necklace. It's a free pattern, you can find it online. I just thought that I would show you how to make it. It's super easy to make, it goes super fast, and it looks very nice. See, looks very beautiful. You will need two colors of beads. Like, you can use multiple colors, but on the pattern it's two colors. I'm gonna go with two colors, and I think it looks nice because it's not so thick, so it's not so big. So if you put more colors, I don't know how that will go, so we're just going to go with two colors. I've made this green one with silver, and I made this red one with bronze. And today we're going to make one with this it's sparkly silver and white. For the beads I used checz seed beads, so preciosa ornela. You can use toho, but the thing is you need a roundish for all Huichol beaded stuff. You need a little bit roundish bead, so either go with delica, that's round, rocalit, or something that's roundish, you know, on the edges, that's not so squarish. Now for the clasp, I've used a lobster and two chains like this. So you can use any clasp you want. I just used the basic one. Obviously you're going to need some thread. I haven't prepared it yet, I don't know why. So I'm going to be using 1G. I don't have white, so I'm going to go with this yellowish. I didn't find any white to buy, so I'm going to go with this 1G. You can use Eslon. It's just a little bit more how you say it separates, you know, it's not so sturdy or whatever. Like, I'm using the cheaper versions, you can use the more expensive versions obviously. And you're obviously going to need a needle. Like, for the needle, these are big, the holes are big, so you can use a bigger needle. I'm going to go with 11. I always go with 11. It's like the my go-to needle. So have your two colors of beads prepared. As I said, I'm going to go with the silver and the white. You know it's right there. And so prepare your beads, prepare your thread with thread in the needle, and we're gonna come back and show you. The plan is like this. First we're going to make this part, this top part, and then we're going to add the chains. So first part and the chains. Prepare the beads, and we're gonna come back and start making the necklace. Okay, now I have my needle threaded and the two colors of beads I said that we're going to start. This is going to be my base. So first off, we're gonna start by making this this loop where we're going to put the circle. So pick up 7 silver or whatever shade you want to use for the main color. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 silver. Pull them down to your tail, like so, and make a loop. Make a sturdy loop. Like, you can make a knot, sorry. You can make 2 times. So 1, and 2. Okay, now we're gonna go with the needle through all of these beads, through all of them, just to enforce it, you know. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. Okay, so it's more visible. So I'm just going with the thread through all of these that I made as a loop. Like so. Okay, got a knot here. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut this tail because usually it just bothers me, and we made the knot, so everything is save. So this is how we start. Now you're going to want to pick up 10 base color, so 10 silver for me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I pick up 10 silver, so 2 4 6 8 10. Pull them down to your loop. Now without adding any bead, skip the first, so this is how we're holding it, yeah. We're going to skip these 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, so we have 5 and 5, sorry, it's hard to hold it in place. So 1 2 3 4 5, and we're just going to go with the needle to the 6th. Just go with the needle to the 6th and pull your work like so. Now pick up 3 silver, 1 2 3, skip 3 silver and go to the 4th. Oops. Now pick up 3 silver, 1 2 3, and go through, so you skip 1, okay, you skip this one and you go through the 2nd. So your thread is coming, the thread is coming from here, yeah, from this one, the thread is coming, you skip this one and you go through this and pull. Next up, pick up 3 white or whatever your secondary color is, skip 3, 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, and go through the 4th. And pull. Now it's the only time we're not going to pick up 3 but 5 total beads, yeah. So 4 silver, 1 2 3 4, and 1 white, and we're going to go to this white and pull the thread like so. Now pick up 1 white and 2 silver, because we need to make the X there, and we're going to skip 1 white and 2 silver and go through the silver here. And this is the whole pattern, like it's just a repeatable pattern. We're going to do again till we do 1 more X. It's repeatable. So 3 silver, 1 2 3, skip 1 and go on top of the silver on top of white, pull the thread like so, pick up 3 silver, 1 2 3, skip all this white and go, let me arrange it a bit, and go through the silver here. Pick up 3 silver, 1 2 3, and skip 1 and go through this 2nd silver. And pull the thread, pick up 3 silver, 1 2 3, skip 1 2 3 and go through the 4th silver. So skip 3 and go through the 4th. pick up 3 silver, 1 2 3, skip the next one and go through the second. And now you see that it's a time for an X, and how you have an X, you have 1 X white, 1 X silver. See, if you look, so this X is white, yeah, and here you have 1 X silver, so it's supposed to be white. So now we pick up 3 white, 1 2 3, we skip these 3 silver and we go through this. And as I said, when we put 3 white, it's the only time we're going to pick a total of 5 beads. So we're going to pick up 4 silver, 1 2 3 4, and 1 white, and we're gonna go to the middle white, pull the thread. Now we pick up 1 white to finish the X, 1 white and 2 silver, and we're gonna go skip 1 white and 2 silver, and we're gonna go to the second silver on our way. And we finished 1 more white X. And again, I'm gonna do 1 more time the silver part, and then you're going to do along the length that you want. So pick up 3 silver, 1 2 3, skip 1, go through the silver on top of white, like this, 3 silver, let me just put them a little bit here, 1 2 3, and go skip all the white and go through the silver, like this, 3 silver, 1 2 3, and we're going to go up, skip 1 and go through the second, like this, and again 3 silver, 1 2 3, and skip the 3 silver and go through the fourth. And now again, when we come back, we're gonna be coming with 3 silver and then 3 white, and then down, okay, 4 silver and 1 white. So the row, if from top down you have 3 silver 3 white, then the bottom one has 4 silver 1 white. It's super easy to make the length you want, and at the end I'm gonna come back and we're going to do the ending loop. So make it as long as you want, and we're gonna come back to do the ending and the second part. Okay, now I did my length, so I have my how long I want it to be, and I'm here at the end. Now we need to make the loop for the clasp, so we're just going to pick up silver, 6 silver beads, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you see my thread is coming from here, and I'm just gonna go through these two like this, and I'm going to make a loop, and I will go 2 or 3 times through all of these, like the beads from the loop, just to strengthen it and to make it more secure. Okay, that's 1, and I'll go, so that's, I mean, that's 2, so I'll just go 1 more time through all of these. Okay, now for the next step we need to reach this bead here, so my thread has to come like this, so I'm just going to make my way over so it comes through this. So it's coming out of here, I'm gonna go through this one here on the top, and then I'm gonna go down through these like this. Pretty much any way that makes you go, because you see here you have 3, any way that takes you like this. So I'm here, gonna go through this one. Just make sure that you go through all of the beads that you worked, so that you don't skip, so you don't see the thread. Okay, so we're coming out of this. Now on the first row, how I did, I made with the base base color. See here, this was the first I made, so that this one is more visible on top. So we're going to go with the silver one. So we're going to work this row only with silver beads, so you can put your secondary beads aside. Like, I'm not gonna work with any white ones. And we're going to be picking up 11 silver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 silver beads. My thread is coming from the middle of these 3 group. I'm skipping the next one and I'm going through the middle of the 3 from the second group, like this. See, and again pick up 11 silver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And coming out of this one, I'm gonna skip this one and I'm gonna go through this one. So you have groups of 3 on top of each white X, like this. And you want to do this all the way till the end, and we're gonna come back for the next step. Okay, when I put these, I seen that it was too tight with 11, so I put in 12. So you just have to see how it will look like. If it's too tight, if you feel like it's too straight, just add one more bit, because now here it's 12. Now I'm at the end. It's possible that you finish on having one more here or having at the end. In either case, if your last one comes to the end, you just work your way around so you reach this one here. So you exit like this. Me coming like this, so I have one more. I just have to move around so it comes out like this. So I'm just going to move my thread through the beads. Like this. I'm gonna go through here and here, through this one, so I'm just making my way to come from this middle, like this. Now for the last part of the necklace, we're just gonna be working with white. Since on the other one I used 12, I'm gonna use 12 again. If you used 11 or 13 or how many, just use the same amount. So pick up 11 white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now you see in between each of these you have one that you didn't work. So just from this one go to the next unworked, which should be in the middle of this the other one, the other loop, and you just do like this and pick up again 11 white. 1, 2, 12, sorry, here is supposed to be 12 as well because it was 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So as I said, on the second row, as many as on first. So if you had 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13. How many you put on the first, you put on the second. And again, you see there is this empty group of 3, and just go through the middle one. You see, this is why I put 12, because with 11 it looks too straight, and with 12 it looks a little bit more wavy, just as I want it to be. Now finish off this row, and at the end you just work your thread around and fasten it off, and we're done. So it's super easy to make, very fast, very pretty. You can work with combination of colors and it would look obvious. Awesome. If you like my work, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all the good stuff. And yeah, happy beading. Bye bye.